In this video, I will show how to use camera tool in Microsoft Excel. So this is the camera tool. To enable it, click on File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and here select all commands and find out camera. Then edit. So select it, then edit. And use of camera. If you select any data and once you use copy by this camera, click on it and you want to paste this data in this another sheet or another way, just select camera and click anyway. So now we have this same table in sheet 1 and sheet 4, and we have this table here with using camera. So if you will make any changes here, like I will make here 33, here 45, and if we will check here, so these changes will appear here. So this is the feature of camera. If you just copy and paste, so if you make any changes here, so it will not reflect here. But if you will use camera feature, so what you make changes here, it will appear all where you paste via camera. So thanks for watching. This is the use of camera tool in Excel.